Good morning children, this is Hemlata. Welcome to class 7 IIT physics class. Children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. You are following the classes. Are you reading the reading work? You must read the reading work, whatever the reading work is given 2 to 3 times, and also complete the worksheet. Okay, follow the class. Minimum 2 to 3 times you had to watch the class completely. Okay children, then only you can understand it. Okay, so what we discussed in the previous class, resolution of vector, and today we are going to discuss about unit vectors. Okay, so today we are going to complete this concept. So once we will review the previous class. In the previous class, we discussed resolution of vector. Is it not children? What is resolution? Resolution of vector. When the process, it's a process of dividing a vector into parts, some parts. Okay, that parts are known as components of vector. We know generally we have three directions. Is it not children? X direction, Y direction and Z direction. These are the three directions. So when the vector is divided into three parts or three components, okay, so resolution means what? Dividing a vector into the parts, that is called resolution of vector. Suppose there is a vector, there is vector v. Okay, so you see, whenever a vector, okay, a vector is having magnitude and direction. So whenever a particle moves, okay, its vector quantity like acceleration or velocity, okay, so that also will change in different directions. So the component in x direction is known as x component. Component in y direction is known as y component. Component in z direction is known as z component. These all three directions are mutually perpendicular to each other. Mutually perpendicular means they makes 90-degree angle with each other. X with y makes 90-degree angle, y with z makes 90-degree angle, x with z makes 90-degree angle. So these three are mutually perpendicular to each other. Okay now children, so suppose there is a vector, v is a vector, okay, and it makes angle theta with the x component. So this v vector divided into two parts, that is v cos theta and v sin theta. We derived also v cos theta, v sin theta. How came in the last class? Is it not children? Like this, suppose you will draw perpendiculars on x and on y. So suppose this is a okay, like this, give the names triangle. Okay, then cos theta b by h, then sin theta p by h, and like that we got the bc and bd value. Is it? So v cos theta, v sin theta. You can simply remember which side theta will be there, that side only cos will be there, and its perpendicular will be sin. Clear children? So that this is what we discussed in the last class, resolution of vector, process of dividing a vector into different components. Clear? Today our topic is unit vector. So let's start today's topic, unit vector. So children, before also we discussed on unit vector. Is it no? Unit vector is what? Unit vector is a vector which is having magnitude exactly 1. It's a dimensionless, and its significance is what? It gives direction. Its significance is it is only known for giving the direction. Unit vector. Suppose there is a vector. Okay. This is vector A. Okay. So let's cut a vector from this vector A with magnitude exactly 1. Okay, so in this Okay, what is the direction? That is what? A cap. Okay, how to read this? A cap, unit vector A cap. Clear? Unit vector is what? A unit vector is dimensionless and its magnitude is exactly 1. It is known for what? Giving the direction. Okay, suppose there is a vector A. Vector A, any vector having what? Magnitude and direction. So vector A, its magnitude will be mode of A. Mode of A will be the magnitude of A and direction will be A cap. A cap is a direction. What is A cap? A cap is a unit vector of vector A. Vector A vector is there. From this we have cut a vector with exactly magnitude 1. This gives the direction of this vector. Okay, so vector, how can you say any vector? How can you express? Magnitude into direction. What is the magnitude? Mode of A. Magnitude into direction. What is that? A cap. Okay, then unit vector A cap is equal to what? Vector A by magnitude of vector A. Okay now? So a unit vector is dimensionless. A unit vector is dimensionless and having magnitude. How much magnitude? Exactly 1. Okay, you can write 1. The significance, or it is used for giving the direction. Significance of unit vector is what? It gives direction. So unit vector known for what? Giving direction. Okay children, so a unit vector in direction of x is known as x cap. Okay, so before going that, there are orthogonal vectors. Orthogonal vectors. What are orthogonal vectors? X cap, y cap and k cap. So children, note down this. So children, next is what? Orthogonal unit vectors. Orthogonal unit vectors are what? I cap, j cap and k cap. Okay, these orthogonal unit vectors are mutually perpendicular to each other. Mutually perpendicular means they are perpendicular to each other. They makes 90-degree angle with each other. That's why they are called mutually perpendicular to each other. So what are the orthogonal unit vectors? I cap, j cap and k cap. So see children, this one. Okay, what are the generally 3 directions we have? X, y and z. So a unit vector in positive x direction is known as plus I cap. Okay, a unit vector in positive x direction, unit vector in positive x direction, okay, is plus I cap. Like that, a unit vector in positive y direction is plus j cap. Unit vector in positive z direction is known as k cap. Okay, what is unit vector? A vector with exactly magnitude 1, dimensionless. What is its significance? It gives direction. Its work is only to give, unit vector work is what? Only giving direction. Again, nothing else. Clear? So this is a unit vector in positive x direction, that is I cap. Unit vector in positive y direction, j cap. Unit vector in positive z direction, k cap. Okay, that is what here. Next is some small questions. Represent the following vectors. You have to represent the following vectors. Question number 1. A vector. What is a vector? A vector. Given vector A vector has magnitude. Magnitude how much given? 3 units. and is in the direction what is given, plus x-axis. Okay children, everything is given. What is a vector? A vector. What is the magnitude? 3 units. What is the direction? Plus x-axis. You have to represent this A vector. So we know that vector always equal to what? Magnitude into direction. What is the magnitude of vector A? Mode of A vector. This is the magnitude. Into direction is what? A cap. Is it now? There is a vector A. Its magnitude is mode of A vector into direction is what? A cap. So vector A is equal to, what is the magnitude given? 3 units. So 3 into, what is the direction? Plus x-axis. So in plus x-axis, what is the direction? I cap. It is 3 I cap. That is 3 I cap. Okay, vector A is equal to 3 plus 3 I cap. Next question, see. A vector C vector. What is a vector here now? Vector C has magnitude 5 units. What is the direction? Minus z-axis. You have to represent this vector. Okay, what is the vector? C vector. C vector is equal to what? Magnitude. What is the magnitude? Mode of vector C into, what is its direction? C cap. Okay. Now vector C is equal to magnitude, how much given? 5 units. So 5 into direction is what? Minus z-axis. Okay, this is positive z-axis. That side if you will take minus z-axis. Minus z-axis means minus k cap. Minus k cap. So it becomes what? C vector is equal to minus 5 k cap. Okay children, minus 5 k cap. Clear? Note down this. So children, now see one more question. A question which contains all the basic points. Okay. So see, refer to the figure shown and find. This is a figure given in the question. You have to see this figure and you have to find these things. Clear? So you can see this figure. There is 2 directions are given, x direction, y direction. Where is the vector? There is vector v vector. Okay, this v vector is resolved in 2 directions, 2 components. Got it? So here in x component, y component. Okay, so you can take, here I have given a y a x, you can take vx or vy also. Okay, so to v vector vx. Vector vx means what? Vector in x component. What is that? V cos theta. Okay children, like that vector vy. Vector v in y component. Vy. Vector y. Vector v in y component. This one how much we got? V sin theta. You see, theta is the angle. Vector v makes theta angle with the x component. Which side theta? Already I explained. Which side theta? That side only cos will come. It's perpendicular, sine will come. So vector vx means vector v in x component. What is its magnitude? V cos theta. Vector vy means vector v in y component. And what is its magnitude? V sin theta. What is a vector? V vector, that is resolved in 2 vectors. Clear? Children, are you understanding now? I hope you are understanding. What is a vector? Vector v makes theta angle with the x component. This v vector is resolved in 2 components. What is vector vx and vector Vy. The magnitude of vector Vx is V cos theta. Magnitude of vector Vy is V sin theta. Clear? Now, first point, what is given? Vx. Here you can see there is no arrowhead. There's no arrowhead means it's not a vector. It's a magnitude. You have to find here magnitude of vector Vx. So vector Vx magnitude is what? V cos theta. Okay, you already know if arrowhead is there on the head means that is a vector. Okay now, here arrowhead not there means it's not a vector. So here what is this? Magnitude of vector Vy. So what is magnitude of vector Vy? V sin theta. Clear? 2 points we solved already. Now next is what? Vector Vx. Vector Vx. You have to represent vector Vx. Vector Vx means what? Magnitude of vector Vx into direction. Okay, which direction it is? In the positive x direction. Positive x direction means what? I cap. Okay, so now magnitude of vector Vx is how much? Vector Vx magnitude V cos theta. V cos theta into I cap. Like that, vector Vy. Vector Vy magnitude into direction. Magnitude mode of vector Vy into which direction this is? Y direction. Positive Y direction. Positive Y direction. Unit vector is what? J cap. J cap. Magnitude of vector Vy. Magnitude of vector Vy what? V sin theta into what is the direction? J cap. Clear? Now vector V. Vector V is equal to what? Vector V is divided in two components. Vector Vx plus vector Vy. Is it now? Vector Vx plus vector Vy. So, how can you write this? Vector Vx, V cos theta into I cap plus vector Vy, how much? V sin theta into J cap. Clear? Next, mode of vector V. Mode of vector V. This is vector V. Its mode means its magnitude. Its magnitude you have to find. How? Whole square root. Okay. Vx square plus Vy square. Here what we are doing, children? Finding the magnitude. Its magnitude, vector V magnitude is mode of vector V. And its magnitude is this. Clear? Now we comes to a problem. Vector V, there is one vector given. Vector V is equal to 3i cap plus 4j cap. Solve it. Find out its. Okay. So vector V magnitude is equal to whole square root 3 square plus 4 square. How much 3 square? 9, 4 square, 16, square root of 25, that is 5. What is the value we got? 5 units. Okay, 5 units. Like that, here you can see this vector V in this question. Vector V is resolved into 3 components. Vxi cap, Vyj cap, Vz k cap. So when you have to find its magnitude, whole square root Vx square plus Vy square plus Vz square. Like that, based on that, one question is given. V vector is equal to 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap. So when you have to find its magnitude, whole square root 2 square plus minus 3 square plus 4 square. So how much? 2 square 4 minus 3 square plus 9 and 4 square 16. 16 plus 4 20 plus 9 29. Whole square root 29 units. Clear, children? Understood? Question is, figure is given. Observe, analyze the figure and solve the questions. What is the figure? In this figure, there is a vector given. What is the vector? V vector. That is resolved, means divided into two components. What is that? Vector Vx, vector Vy. Vector Vx means vector in x component. Vector Vy means vector in y component. What is the magnitude of vector Vx? V cos theta. Magnitude of vector Vy? V sin theta. So that was the first question. You have to find Vx. No vector, arrowhead. No arrowhead. It means it's not a vector, it's a magnitude. Vx. So magnitude of vector Vx how much? V cos theta. Magnitude of vector Vy is what? V sin theta. Now vector Vx, how can you represent vector? Magnitude into unit. Magnitude vector Vx into unit. Which direction it is? Positive x direction. So I cap. So V cos theta I cap. Like that, vector Vy, magnitude into unit. V sin theta into j cap. Vector V is resolved in two components. Vector Vx plus vector Vy. V cos theta I cap plus V sin theta j cap. Now vector V magnitude. Whole root Vx square plus Vy square. Like that we got the values. Okay children, I hope you are getting it. If any doubt, please ask me the doubt. Post your doubt in the group. I'll clarify it. Once again I will say children, once or twice is not at all enough. 3 to 4 times. 3 to 4 times you have to watch the video completely. Practice these. At first you have to practice what I explained. That only 2 to 3 times you have to explain. Then after you take some other question by yourself and practice that. Then surely you will get this. Okay. Write down. Neatly write down. Thanks for watching.